Yes, guys and girls. This is your boy Shadak Naeem, aka Making Your Dreams Reality, and the proud owner of WifiRiceBowl, which is this YouTube channel. Hey, welcome back. Okay, I want to tell you something interesting. A lot of things happened since my last upload to today, so let's catch up. So, guys and girls, this is Funded Next. It's a platform that I chose to do the funded account. There's a lot out there. There is FTMO, which is the most famous one, and this Funded Next just recently came out, which is this year. So, and I researched and I realized that this model is easier. I chose the express model. That means I have one evaluation. Once I'm done with that, I'll get my 5-figure account and we are good to go with the withdrawal and account increasing. So that's the reason why I choose it Funded Next, because it's a bit easier and the rules are a bit looser compared to FTMO and other platforms. So guys and girls, you all know that I'm a diploma student who just graduated in aeronautical engineering, and I don't want to make things so difficult. Life is very difficult, so let's make trading simple. So what's supply and demand? Supply and demand is when you see aggressive buying and aggressive selling, and we're going to use price action together so we can tackle the smaller time frame. The time frame we're talking about is 1 hour to 5 minutes. That's all. Supply and demand together, price action, and we're going to throw in a bit of Fibonacci and a bit of moving average here and there just to see the market structure. But end of the day, we must be profitable. I don't care using MACD, RSI, any other things. The thing is, are you profitable? Yes or no? You're not profitable? Don't enter this game. You're profitable? Stay long. That's all. Okay. You might be using moving averages. You might be using MACD. You might be using anything in the market. Okay. Okay. You'll be using the sun, the moon. I don't care what you're going to use the market. But if you're not profitable, don't enter this market, or else you lose your money. If you lose your money, it's your fault. It's your fault because you don't have proper data and a proper strategy. But together with proper data and a ton of back testing, yes, you'll be a profitable day trader. So guys and girls, this is the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen on the 50 minutes time frame, as you can see above over here. So what was I looking at the market? What was the market doing? Very simple. So I saw the market was trying to make higher high, but it failed. It rejected. It went down to this beautiful demand zone, which I really love. All right. So what I did, I waited for the market to do this thing and went back to the supply zone. So on supply, I know there's a lot of sellers are there. So I waited for the market to go to the supply zone. I didn't chase the price. I wait for the price to reach to my zones and I will wait. Okay. Sometimes I'll wait for minutes, sometimes I'll wait for hours just for the price to come to my key areas before I take a trade. So wait for the price to come in. Boom, it went to this beautiful supply zone I really love. Okay, and I can see there's multiple rejection on this supply zone. So back of my mind, I know that once the market go below that supply zone, I'm gonna enter a short position and then gonna take a beautiful ride to the downside. So this can be a beautiful 1:3, which means you put $100, you get $300 on this trade. So it's a beautiful 1:3. So guys and girls, this is another chart back test on. This is on Bitcoin. So when I look at the market, I know, okay, the market is going uptrend because there's higher high and higher low. So I put all these key areas, these keywords, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, and on. So back of my mind, I know, okay, the market is going to have an uptrend. Beautiful. I'm going to go with it. So I wait for the market to make beautiful rejection. It did. It went back to this beautiful demand zone. I'm looking at it. Very tight stop loss. All right. And the market eventually went up. So this will be a beautiful 1:4 or 1:3. And once the market went to the new higher high, I closed my trade. All right. And I realized that the trend line is broken. All right. The higher low trend line is already broken. So back of my mind, automatically I know, okay, so the trend line is broken. The trend is so obvious, all right? The trend is so obvious that it's going to go uptrend. And the banks, the sharks, the one holding the $1 trillion, the $1 billion, they realize the market is so obvious. Now retail traders like me definitely want to go long. So what I did, I'm going to switch my mind as the sharks, the banks, what are they going to think? Okay, so once I come to this another supply zone, I'm going to take a short position and I'm going to liquidate all my position. This is how the big dogs are going to think. If the trend is obvious, quit it. Do not enter. obvious trend, we avoid. Why? Because the more obvious it is, the sharks, the banks, they already know that the retail traders like us, the rookies, they're going to enter a long position. Okay, but you see the market failed to make a new higher high. Okay, so over here, right below this price, there's a selling opportunity which eventually happened. So the market structure broke, the beautiful downside. I took another short position. Okay, this is a back test. In the real life market, when I'm trading real money, I won't be going long and short at the same time, right? It doesn't work. All right, it's either you go long or you go short. You do not go long like what I'm doing over here. I buy the market and I sell the market. It doesn't happen that way. Okay, do not follow this. This is really going really aggressive. It's a bit really risky too. So either you go long, you make a profit, you call it a day. All right, or you go short, you make a profit, and you call it a day. Do not go long and do not go short at the same time. All right, guys and girls. So this is Bitcoin with USDT. So guys and girls, this is another forex pair. It's called Euro and Japanese yen. For what? For now, I'm gonna hold the mic and I'm gonna talk to y'all. All right. So what was I looking? Very simple. The market was having an aggressive selling. Okay. The market was having aggressive selling. So back of my mind, I know that okay, this aggressive selling, I'm gonna take advantage of it. Why? Because end of the day, the market is gonna go even lower. But if you enter in the wrong price point, thinking that the market is gonna make a new higher high, you're gonna lose all your money. All right. To double confirm, I open up the EMA downtrend. To another confirm, I use my supply and demand strategy. There you go. It passed. So back of my mind, I know okay, aggressive selling. I want to take advantage of this bad boy. So what I did, okay, between you and me, okay, guys and girls, just you and me, I want to tell it to y'all. Another keyword: the sharks, the banks, the ones who control this market. All right, these people control this market. They use a higher time frame. Okay, not the 5 minutes. Nobody gonna use the 5 minutes. Okay, the minimum they're gonna use 15 minutes. The maximum they're gonna use the 4 hour and 1 hour. Right? They're looking at that time frame to enter and exit and take profit. But there are a lot of people out there. There are day traders, scalpers, long position holders. There's a lot of type of strategies. A lot of traders out there. But for me, I want to enter the market. I want to exit the market ASAP. But you and me, okay, between you and me, I want to make money quick. I want to enter the market like this. I want to exit the market. I don't want to hold long position. I don't want to, play around and expose my capital in this type of market because I know, end of the day, okay, between you and me, end of the day, the bank has to win. Okay, it's either they win or I win. Okay, me with my $100 uh, forex account will never do anything in this market. All right, the $100, my $100 I earn is a liquidation for them. You need to understand that, okay? This is not a fair game, In this world, especially in this trading world, it's either they win or we win. All right? And there's no such thing called two first position. Please, there's no such thing called. It's they win or we win, and we must win every single day, no matter what happened. All right? We have a bad day, we must win. We have a good day, we must win. The weather is raining, we must win. The weather is sunshine, storm, snow, anything happen, we must win. That's the reason why I tell back test everything before you enter this market, because like this, all your savings be gone if you don't know what you're doing in the market. All right. So back to this chart. What was I thinking? I already know the market is going down, selling beautiful aggressively. So I draw my lines, supply and demand. There you go. This is exactly what I do. Supply and demand. Price go below the demand, so I know there's a new supply. All right. So I'm waiting for a beautiful rejection candle. All right. What is a rejection candle? You and me, okay, just you and me. Listen up. It's an engulfing candle for you, okay, guys and girls. Subscribe to this channel for all these type of keywords, because once I'm done this forex thing, I'm going to move to another stuff to make money online. So forex is one of the method to make money online. All right. So that's the reason why I studied this. I took classes. I read about book. I back test. That's the reason why I open up a funded account. Okay. So back to this again. Engulfing candle, and I saw the market went below it. Beautiful. I took a short position. This is another beautiful 1:3. Okay. So please understand that back test every single thing. Guys and girls, all of you be thinking, Shadak, you're talking about fake money, you're talking about, practice trade. You bet practice trade again and again. When you're gonna take an actual trade? Well, this is an actual trade. So what was I thinking? Well, simple. I want to keep it simple for you. Trading must be simple. Okay, I don't want to put billions of indicators on the chart just to confuse myself, confuse y'all. I just want to make it simple for y'all. All right. So this is the USD Japanese yen, very famous forex pair. So when the London session opened, I know, all right, my target was all this market low, and what happened was when the market go below a key area, right, a price key area I was waiting, eventually went to the zone I wanted, and when went below a key area, and I look, okay, so what should I do? Should I went long or should I go short? And this is the 21 EMA, very famous one. Overall the market was going down, so I said, okay, never mind, let's take a short position. And I know I'm going to take a short position, and I took this bad boy all the way down, and I thought to myself, all right, that's all. A beautiful, I raised $20 and I got a beautiful $80, and I'm done for the day. And this only lasted for around 30 minutes. So I was in the market. 30 minutes later, I got my $80. I call it a day. All right. A simple trade, a basic trade. Supply and demand, yes, it is. So I took a short position at supply, and I take my profit at my demand area. Very simple. I don't want to make things difficult. This is the 50 minutes time frame. I already entered, and the market went down. 30 minutes later, I'm out. So I'm not gonna stress anything out. There's certain patterns I can see and there. Some new viewers like you are, you'll be thinking, what pattern am I talking about? What I'm looking at. Okay, if you buy the course, later I'm gonna talk about it. You will know that there's patterns in the market that we can look and wait for the price to come to the patterns and take a trade. So this is one of the trade I took. Thank you so much, guys and girls, for coming this far on the video. Watching my content, spending your time with me. You know, if I appreciate if you can like, you can share, and you can subscribe, and tell to the world, your world, your friends, your colleagues, your parents, that Wi-Fi was here and here to stay, no matter what happened. All right. And remember, this is not a forex channel. Okay, we are here to make money online, and forex day trading is one of it. All right. And remember, guys and girls, a news update. Everything's going down. We're in a bear market. Inflation is all-time high. We're in a market recession. You know, everything's going down. All right. And Bitcoin is down. Let it be. All right. If Bitcoin is up or down, if you don't have the money, you cannot join. That's all. And I'm showing y'all how to get the money, how to expand out and on and on. All right. If you like what I do, you can subscribe. All right. You can go to the fiber link below. I'm selling the course about forex day trading. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna move on with other things. So stick around and stay tuned. And I'll see you all next week for another video. Subscribe. Okay, I'm telling you all because I already got this funded account. I'm gonna do a lot of things with it, and there's a spreadsheet I'm gonna show to you all once I'm done with everything. All right. I'll see you next week. Train safe. Be smart. Take care. Bye.